Imagine a digital transformation solution that's powered by artificial intelligence and connects your business with the industry's most advanced data sharing network. Introducing the W3 Digital Experience Platform, or DXP for short. An all-in-one business solution that can now replace all of these applications with a single platform. Sales organizations no longer have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on outdated software, unnecessary maintenance, and expensive resources. Because W3 offers a B2B customer experience portal, an AI-generated e-commerce solution, configure, price, and quote, 60-plus managed service apps, vendor-branded sales portals, government and educational contracts, recurring billing and invoicing, multi-level dashboards, digital marketing and lead generation, Google Analytics and Google Shopping, first-page ranking strategies, as well as custom workflow and business automation. With over 80 modules and 750 features, you'll experience unlimited scalability. And with our 3-step AI-powered setup wizard, you can get started with minimal resources and at low costs. First, complete your business profile. Second, select your preferred partners. And third, upload your contacts. And based on your objectives, our AI will auto-generate your solution to complete your digital readiness. So in short, what is it that we do? We leverage artificial intelligence to help you streamline, automate, and scale your business.